everybody, I'm back with a video. Thank you for joining me again. Today is going to be a pretty short, very simple video because one, I don't have enough time to actually record a full video, and also I thought, you know, better something than nothing at all. So I'm actually really excited because I just got this in the mail, and it is from It Cosmetics, and so they always send really great stuff, so I'm really excited to open it. And so I thought I would open it with you. Hope you guys are doing well. How are you? I'm doing fairly well. Yeah, I'm doing good. I have a itchy forehead right now and I need to tap. Okay, so yeah, I'm doing good. There's just a lot going on right now, so I'm opening the box with this knife. This is inside the box. Tissue, or paper, I should say. Oh! It's a little gift bag. It's literally a gift bag. I wonder what's inside. This is it feels almost like a belated birthday present because my birthday was in June. So let's open it. There's a card in here. Oh, yes. It's skincare. Okay, so this is the little info flyer they gave me. It says, confidence in your skin from morning to night. Give your skin a hydration boost with our tried and true morning to nighttime skin loving duo. We have confidence in a cream, which is the transforming moisturizing super cream, and I've tried this one. I really like that. And there's confidence in your beauty sleep. I haven't tried this one out, so I'm really excited for that. Oh my gosh. So it just goes through all of the benefits of each one. Sorry, there's like a little tiny gnat crawling on my curtain and it distracted me. Yeah, so let's talk about the night cream first. The night cream actually has, in 7 sleeps, visibly improves 5 top signs of aging skin. So it helps with fine lines, dryness, loss of firmness, dullness, and tired looking skin. The confidence in a cream, it's #1 anti-aging. It moisturizes, reduces the look of fine lines, smooth skin, visibly evens tone, visibly minimizes pores, plumps look of skin, brightens look of skin. Okay, oh man. Here's the confidence in a cream. This is what you put on during the day. And it's a pretty heavy, well-filled moisturizer, so you do get your money's worth in these products. It's nothing like flimsy or just like you feel like you're getting kind of like you're gypped off. So I'm gonna open this. This is what the inside looks like. Excuse my undone nails. I swear I just took off my nail polish the other day because I'm going to redo them. But this is what the packaging looks like. You have a very pale outside here and then a silver top. So here is the cream. As you can see, it's very thick and luxurious. Let me just answer this text message because my ride is here and I have to go. Okay, so here it is. Let me just grab some of that product. And I'm going to it's a very thick formula, and I love that because my skin is dry, honey, dry. Okay, so we're gonna look at the nighttime cream. I feel like nighttime creams are always like an indigo blue or like a navy blue or like a purple, like a deep purple. At least the packaging is. So again, you get, how many fluid ounces do you have? That's 2 fluid ounces, so you get actually a lot of product in here. Most, see, it's purple on the inside. Do you see how it's a lilac-y color? I would say most moisturizers and just skincare products in general always are packaged in and sold in 1 fluid ounce. So I think that having 2 fluid ounces is actually amazing, and I appreciate that a lot. These have a very faint smell, nothing too overwhelming or offensive. Have you ever been offended by a smell? Yeah, I know I have. Okay, so this is the quick little unboxing that I just did right now. I do have to go. If you want something a little bit more maybe extensive, like an extensive video where I use like IT products, skincare products, in order to sort of just show you what I have, kind of like a show and tell, and make cool sounds and stuff and make it very relaxing for you, just let me know and I will do that. I love you guys and I'll see you soon. Bye.